Ever feel anxious out of nowhere, like your mind just won't stop racing? What if I told you that anxiety is your body's way of sending a warning signal? It could be telling you that something is off, maybe you're not sleeping well, you're stressed, or your blood sugar is out of balance. Our bodies whisper quietly before they eventually scream for help. The first step is simply listening, paying attention to those subtle signs, because understanding these signals early can make all the difference. So next time anxiety hits, don't push it away. Stop and ask, what is my body trying to tell me? Whether it's getting better sleep, reducing stress, or checking your diet, small changes can ease that unrest. Remember, your body knows more than you think. Listen closely and take care of it. Because when your body whispers, it's time to pay attention before it has to scream.